Hi guys, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Daisy Ball. I am a paparazzi independent consultant. If you do me a favor, if you can like and share and what else? Subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it. All right, so today is Friday. Today is Pink Friday in paparazzi world. If you never heard of paparazzi, paparazzi is where we sell $5 accessories for only $5. We have Z collections, those are $25. The paparazzi started with two sisters and their husband, and they started this business, and ever since then it's just has blown has gotten bigger. So we have over thousands and thousands of paparazzi consultants. So the reason I came on here to tell you is to not to but to introduce you to Paparazzi Accessories. Um, we have accessories. When you become a consultant, you get your accessories for only $2.75, and the Z collections you get those for $16 and I believe 25 cents. I might be wrong, so I need to go back and research on that one. But I think it's $16.25. All the accessories that we have are simply trendy, gorgeous. I mean, they're fire. $5 bling and $25 bling. And the necklaces come with matching earrings, which I'm wearing now, and you see the rings. I'm wearing these. This is what you would call a Z collection. This would be a $25 Z collection piece. What else can I tell you? We have different kits that you can choose from if you're interested. The first kit is $99, and that comes with 35 pieces of accessories plus the material, your marketing material. Then we have the second kit is $299. That comes with 120 pieces, which with your marketing material. Also, we have the third kit, which is $499. You get excuse me, you get 200 pieces with your marketing material. Also in that kit you get a convention ticket. Every year we have convention in Las Vegas, so when you get a convention ticket you can go for free. What else can I tell you? When it's your birthday month, you get a free accessory for your birthday. Paparazzi Accessories is a great company to be a part of. I enjoy being a part of Paparazzi Accessories. I have fun. It's enjoyable. I love it. It's my passion. Also, let me tell you that there are two ways that you can make money with Paparazzi Accessories, or other ways. You know, you can make money with selling it, and you can make money by building a team also. You can do events, you could do Facebook Lives, you could tell your friends and families, you could take it to work, you could, that's all you could do is just, you know, to make your money, to make your, wherever you join with, which kit that you choose from, you can make all your money back that you sold from your accessories. What else? With our Paparazzi Accessories, when you become a consultant, you also get your own website where you could go on there and shop for all your accessories at $2.75. We also sell the accessories to our customers for $5. And if you like, you can charge tax if you like. I don't charge tax, but I should. But I don't charge any tax. But also, what else can I tell you about Paparazzi Accessories? It's changing. It's a changing business that it changes your life. When I joined Paparazzi Accessories, I joined just because to have a hobby to do, to make extra money, also to make extra money and to find a hobby to do, because I was bored. I was at a time in my life where I was bored, so I found Paparazzi Accessories through two of my Facebook friends that introduced me to it. What else? Yeah, so that is it on it for now, guys. I was trying to hurry up before my time goes out on here. So if you're interested in becoming a paparazzi consultant, just go to www.paparazziaccessories.com/44896, and I would love to have you on my team. Also, I forgot, I can't remember. But anyways, now, if you think that you cannot sell paparazzi I stutter and I sell paparazzi, because the reason why I say that is because the jewelry sells itself. You really don't have to do anything but just show it, and it sells itself. So, yeah. So if you're interested in selling paparazzi accessories, also ask me how. Just ask me how in the comments, and like I say, I would love to have you on my team. All right. Okay. So you guys have a blessed, safe holiday weekend, and happy Friday. Enjoy your day, and hey, it's Pink Friday, so come on and shop with me. All right, bye bye, be blessed, love you.